Welcome back to the channel. Now we're talking about in a Jamaica, one little district where everybody know everybody business. This happened not using the right names. Let me call the woman Marva and her poor unfortunate husband John. Guys, una go shock fi hear how this woman take her greed and disgrace herself and her husband. Before all this thing happened, um, you could call Mara a vibrant soul, a woman in her 60s, where being with her husband John for over 40 years. Them have a cozy home, packed with laughter and plenty love from them four picnic, where them spread out far and wide. Couple of them there foreign and couple of them home. But now a big cloud start. We hover over Marva heart. John never strong like how him used to. Age a take him toll and him can't fulfill the needs we still a burn in a Marva. Now, Marva did a listen to radio for years, soaking up every word a pastor who used to come on the radio and talk about marriage. But now, with her body a yearn for intimacy and her husband can't satisfy them craving, Marva find herself wrestling with guilt after she get involved in a one affair, something where she never did a plan to do. So one night, while them there in a bed, John asked Marva casually if she ever stray. Panic start to rise in her heart. She quickly respond, "No, me love, me never do that." As she mind a race thinking about the secret where she keep from John. Sharp like a tack, suspect say something no right. Him revelation say he might forgive her if a true. As Marva hold him close, she feel one mix up of love and shame. She a draw to her hidden desire. Hug him up tight while I try satisfy herself. Me no know what to do, she a think. Conscience heavy and her heart was so conflicted. Now, one day, while she a wash the dishes them, she catch her glimpse in the window and the reflection of herself. And she start to think and she say, "How me reach here?" She a ponder. What me do to me husband? The laughter and the love them have once upon a time feel so far now, shattered by her longing for more. She start to reflect upon the pastor advice where she always hear. Cut out the bad behavior and seek God's help. But for Marva, the urge was strong, bad, and the fear to be judged a hold her back. Now, meanwhile, in the community, gossip arise like the sun. Some sympathize with her plight, knowing say plenty man can't perform the thing when them reach them 70s. Other people thought, though some of them quick to condemn her, I say a good woman fi hold her ground. Enough man out there I do them thing too, some I say. But how come when a woman do it, she quick forget labeled as bad woman? Wow, it's true. But me no shame. But me no shame me body. Some of them I say that. They are true. But them I say about the man and the woman them, but they not shame them body. If my body need it, Wagwan. Marva reflect upon herself. She wish to find understanding. One world where women can express them desire without fear to get labeled. News of her situation thought spread over the whole district. A spark talk and debate in the community. Everywhere she turn, people are whisper. Enough voice them opinion. Some get up to defend her, say it a human and human to seek pleasure even at this age, while other people scorn her. I proclaim say she not honor marriage. However, she gone talk about love and still a cheat. One of her friend exclaimed if only she could have used some ties or keep it real with her husband. So Marva listened to the chatter, feeling more isolated than ever because now remember says I want like a district Sheena, and you know how the district people them stay. Some of them are Christian, some of them claim say them are Christian. Them now left them husband. You don't see people are cheating at the village, in the community, in the district so openly. And now Marva come in with this thing. So people have a lot to talk. Now the same pastor where she listened to, she decided to write a letter to him, hoping to find guidance from somebody who is experienced, who can tell her what to do. And yes, the pastor answered and the response come back. Words are condemnation mixed with empathy. And the pastor said, seek control over your desires, love your husband more, and be a good woman. But in her heart, Marva start to realize love and desire not just one matter, a right or a wrong. She prayed for the courage to deal with her emotions, asking herself if she really a bad woman or just one woman with needs. As the days turned into weeks, Marva made a decision, no more deceit. She wanted her husband to know the truth, to confront the elephant in the room. It's time to speak. John, she finally said one evening, me need you to listen to me. Me need to talk to you. The conversation will follow, filled with tears. John start cry, she start cry. Forgiveness and a rekindling of the love them used to share. For so many years, Marva understands that while the road ahead now go easy, honesty are the first step towards healing. Now, one would have think that the husband would have get up and pack and leave. Him never do that. Him sure some kind of understanding and forgiveness. And even though him so shame, because now the people in the district are laugh after him. But in the end, them both learn to embrace them reality together, seeking comfort, understanding, and new ways to express them love. Marva discovers say true intimacy built upon trust and vulnerability, and even in the twilight of them years, them bond could deepen again. No more secret, just two souls navigating the complex journey of love together. And that the story starts off bad with these two people, because I am not going to condemn the woman, but at the same time, the situation was very, very bad. Maybe since the husband's situation is like that, maybe this is something they should talk over before and find solution, because communication is so good. Communication is vital. Communication is important, because if them did communicate with each other, Marva would never have to go down this road. And see now, them end up right back where they should be before she go out there and stray. Anyway, guys, if you have watched this story so far, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel for more stories like these. And I will see you back on my next YouTube video.